What is Cinderella syndrome? Cinderella syndrome refers to a psychological phenomenon where individuals often have unrealistic expectations about relationships and love based on fairy tale romances like Cinderella. This can lead to disappointment, frustration, and unhealthy relationship dynamics. Characteristics. Number 1, idealized romance, expecting a perfect fairy tale like romance. Number 2, waiting for a rescuer, believing someone else will solve problems or complete them. Number 3, unrealistic expectations, expecting relationships to be effortless and effects. Number 1, disappointment. Unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment and frustration. Number 2, unhealthy relationships. Cinderella syndrome can lead to toxic or abusive relationships. Number 3, low self-esteem. Relying on others for validation can erode self-esteem. Overcoming Cinderella syndrome. Number 1, self-awareness. Recognize and challenge unrealistic expectations. Number 2, healthy relationships. Seek relationships built on mutual respect, trust, and communication. Number 3, self-empowerment. Focus on on personal growth, self-care, and self-love. By understanding and addressing Cinderella syndrome, individuals can develop healthier relationship expectations and cultivate more fulfilling connections. This is funny. Nang napanood ko po itong Cinderella na to at nabasa sa libro, parang tumatak na to sa isip ko na parang, ganito yung gusto kong relationship. Until hindi ako nagkaroon ng ganon. So, very disappointed, frustrated po ako. Huwag pong gayahin. At baka po talagang walang ganon. Walang fairy tale na relasyon. Baka lang po, I'm not so sure.